what challenges or needs were you looking to address when partnering with ACROBiosystems?
Yeah, I think the biggest thing that keeps me coming back to Acro is the catalog selection. I've always been really impressed with the number of relevant therapeutic targets that are already listed and as I said, sort of formatted with different species or different tags. But the other things that really stand out are rapid timelines for product delivery. And I think that the relationships that we have with the individuals at Acro have been really helpful. They have a deep sort of passion for the industry, yourself included, of course, and focusing really on enabling our end-to-end discovery in a really rapid fashion. So it allows us to maintain the full customization as well as rapid timelines.
Awesome. Yes, exactly. We are trying to be an end-to-end solution, so we're really glad that being resonate to our customers. Next questions. Which ACROBiosystem products or service have you been used in your research or development workflow?
We've done a very large number of different proteins from the catalog, therapeutic extracellular domains. We've done a few single passes, a few sort of different formats. One of the things, as I mentioned, that we utilize really heavily is the ABI-tagged catalog. And then the other thing that we're moving into more recently is some of the multi-domain assemblies. So we did a cool panning validation on one of our discovery libraries recently using the CD8 alpha, CD8 beta heterodimer from Acro. I think you guys are using an acid-based coil to keep the two domains together. It seems to work really well in our panning workflows, certainly, and I would imagine in other workflows as well.
Awesome. Like to hear that. Next question. How would you describe the quality and consistency of an ACROBiosystem product in your experience?
We've had really nice translation of them into sort of different antigen formats and also into different presentations of target. So one of the things that we've noticed a lot, especially in this ABI-tag catalog portfolio, is that we're getting really nice translation from an ECD binder in solution. So we'll do a solution phase panning, and we'll use that to isolate antibody sequences that will bind to live cells. And so the attrition is obviously non-trivial between sort of recombinant protein and live cell binding, but we are able to get a higher than expected, certainly, sort of translation between those two workflows. And so I think that really speaks to the native presentation of these ECDs and the accessibility into different workflows.